Hi guys, I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to discuss about my project Student Learning Management System. I'm going to discuss about business and technical requirements, use cases and user stories and along with the diagrams included. So when it comes to the business requirements for Student Learning Management System, so I'm going to explain about user management module. So user management module handles registration, logins, logouts and retrieval of user information. Data flows into this module when a user registers for a system, logs in, requests to retrieve their information, and data flows out of the module when the user is successfully registered, logs in, logs out, or receives their requested information. And course management module. The course management module handles creation, addition of removal of content, and retrieval of courses. Data flows into this module when a new course is created, content is added or removed from the existing course, or user requests to retrieve a course. Data flows out of the module, and when a new course is successfully created, content is added or removed from the existing course, or a user receives their requested course. And assessment module handles the creation of quizzes, submission of answers, and retrieval of quiz results. Data flows into this module when a new quiz is created. A user submits answers to a quiz or a user requests to retrieve their quiz results. Data flows out of the module when a new quiz is successfully created. A user's answers are successfully submitted or a user receives their requested quiz results. Communication module. Communication module handles the sending, reading, and deleting of messages between users. Data flows into this module when a user sends a message, reads a message, or requests to delete a message. Data flows out of the module when the message is successfully sent, read, and deleted. Reporting module. The reporting module handles the generation, viewing, and deleting of reports. Data flows into this module when a report is generated. A user requests to view a report or a user requests to delete a report. Data flows out of the module when a report is successfully generated. A user receives their requested report or successfully or deleted. So I'm going to explain about technical requirements of user management module. Implement user authentication and authorization mechanisms. Store user information securely, such as using encrypted passwords. Provide APIs for user registration, login, logout, and information retrieval. Course management module. Implement a database schema for courses and their content. Provide APIs for creating, adding, removing, and retrieving courses and their content. Implement access controls to ensure only authorized users can modify course content. Assessment module. Implement a database schema for quizzes and their questions and answers. Provide APIs for creating quizzes, submitting answers, and retrieving results. Implement logic for grading quiz answers and storing results. Communication module. Implement a database schema for messages and their um, recipients and senders. Provide APIs for sending, reading, and deleting messages. Implement access controls to ensure users can only access their own messages. Reporting module. Implement a database schema for reports and their data sources. Provide APIs for generating, viewing, and deleting reports. Implement access controls to ensure only authorized users can generate or delete reports. So I'm going to explain about use case diagram. Here, the student can register for an account on the LMS platform. Login. The student can log in into the system to access their course. To view course, the student can view the course content including videos, documents, and quizzes. Submit assignment. The student can submit assignments as required by the instructor. Take quiz. The student can take quizzes to test their knowledge and understanding. Communication. The student can communicate with their instructor or other students to the LMS. Administrator. Manage users. The administrator can manage the users on the LMS including adding, deleting, and updating their information. Manage courses. The administrator can manage the courses of the LMS including creating, editing, and deleting courses. Generate reports. The administrator can generate reports on the usage and performance of the LMS. Instructor create course. The instructor can create a course on the LMS, including adding course materials such as videos, documents, and quizzes. Managing course. The instructor can manage their course on the LMS, including editing and deleting course materials, creating and grading assignments, and managing the course schedule. Communication. The instructor can communicate with their students through the LMS, including answering questions and providing feedback on assignment. And I'm going to provide the use case diagrams too along with this. So user stories. User management module. As a user, I would like to register the system using my email and password in order to access the course content. As a user, I want to log in the system with my email and password in order to access the course content. As a user, I want to be able to log out so that no one else can access my account. As a user, I want to retrieve my account information such as my name and email address. Course management module. As a course administrator, I would like to be able to create a new course with the name and description for users to access. As the course instructor, I would like to be able to add content such as videos and quizzes to existing courses so that users can learn the material. As the instructor of the course, I would like to remove the content of the course so that users can focus on most important things. As a user, I would like to take courses for study materials, assessment module. As a course instructor, I would like to able to create quizzes with multiple choice questions for users to test their knowledge. As a user, I would like to submit my answers to quizzes so that I can get feedback on my understanding of the project. As a user, I want to get my test score so that I can see my scores. Communication module is the stories. As a user, I want to be able to send messages and communicate with other users. As a user, I want to be able to read my messages so I can stay in sync with other users. As a user, I would like to be able to delete my messages so that my inbox remains empty. Training module. And as a core instructor, I would like to be able to generate a user progress report so how they have learned the material. As a user, I would like to be able to see my progress report so that I can see how I am doing. As a user, I would like to be able to delete my progress reports to keep my account clean. The graph included in the use case diagram of the LMS system. The main concern about the LMS system is scalability. It's important to design and implement the system in a way that can accommodate growth in the future as the system becomes more popular. Scalable technologies and architecture patterns like microservices and containerization ensures that the system can handle a lot of traffic and users without sacrificing performance. So, thank you so much.